JDCap26 here to do the tips and repairs and hobbies. And this is systematic model kit building. How to build a kit. Actually, I'm going to have the comments and notes down below for you to read for the step-by-step instructions on how to do a kit. You know, basic instructions. I hope all you guys are doing good out there today, subscribers and new subscribers and old subscribers. This is just the kit, next kit I'm going to make, and you're going to pick your kit out, of course. It could be a ship, it could be a tank, it could be one of these, it could be a monster, it could be a figure. And some boxes, most boxes will have artwork on it, okay? You want to look at the artwork on the box, okay? And you can see the colors and the tones, and they do a very good job on the artwork. So with the artwork, you can pick out your paints, which is over here. You're going to use paints, and you're going to use glue, emery boards, a nipper, and putty to put a kit together. Okay. So you got the kit. You look at your colors. You pick your colors out. You put them all off in front of you, and then you open up your kit. Let's see if we can get this open. It's always fun opening up a new kit. Put that to the side, and get this open for you. And there's your parts, okay, inside. You want to look at your parts. You want to establish that you have all the parts in the kit. Okay, put them off to the side, and when you open these bags up, okay, you're going to separate the parts into color categories that you're going to spray. Keep them on the spool, and that way you can spray the parts according to the color from the artwork on the box. Okay, this is some amazing modeling information. And make sure you only spray one side of the right side of the each part that you're going to put together. You don't want to spray the side that the glue goes on. You don't want to do that. Only spray one side, okay? So, because when you make the parts together, you don't want to have paint in between, okay? And look at your instructions. They're always good. Always save your instructions even afterwards. Good thing to save. And see how the two parts go together here. Okay, you can see that. Sorry about that. You spray the top half, the bottom half, not the inside. You don't want to do that because you got to put the glue there. Okay, but these are your vital instructions. You know, when you get into bigger or complex models, even one of these is complex. Like, you know, model ships, they'll be complex. Usually slightly less paint with model ships and tanks, more paint with figure models you're going to apply. And you got, you know, an airbrush to use to spray your parts, a detail brush. And this is just, you know, two paints. I use Tamiya and Vallejo. And I use this with a brush, the Tamiya thin set paint glue, and to put it together. But it's really fun to do a kit, and the instructions are below. I hope this helps you. I hope you have a good day. I'm going to be making this probably later. In the process I'm showing you now, the systematic model kit building. And you all have a great day today. Stay safe and stay occupied. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Rate and subscribe. If you don't like it, thumbs down, thumbs up, whatever. And we'll see you next time.